guys, welcome back to another video. It's Magic Leah and today I'm doing slime pet peeves. So let's get right into the video. I'm super excited to do this. I've got a little list here of all of the pet peeves I'll be doing, just so I don't forget. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first one I've got is when you poke with one finger. Second one is when they poke and they lift your hands to the side. By the way, I'm doing all these demos on chocolate fudge brownie, a very good slime of mine. It's not a foam, it's just got a few foam beads and it's brown like a chocolate sundae. Let's do a few more of those. And then next one, I've called it the turtle poke. So when they poke, they leave their hands in it for ages. Then it gets stuck to their hands. That really annoys me. The fourth one is when they don't pop the bubbles. I hate it when people don't pop bubbles. Right, need to get a good stretch for this. Sorry, that was not meant to happen. I might do this on my really bubbly slime, which is pink bubblegum, right over here. Right. I'm about to do the not popping bubbles if any of these slimes would work. Sorry in the background if you hear like a bzzz, that's one of my friends texting. They stretch it out and then they make a big bubbly swirl, then they just... I'm just going to show you the bubbles. I'm not going to pop them because that would be so unsatisfying. So yeah, there we go. Okay guys, the fifth pet peeve, sorry I had to pop those bubbles after that. The fifth one is the silly names. I'm going to do this on two of my slimes. Hey guys, so this is a brown slime. It's called Yellow Golden Sunset. It's such a good name. Like, look at it. Doesn't it just look like a yellow golden sunset? Totally. And then I've got this pink one, which I'm calling Pear Blueberry. Yeah! They're really good names, so just don't judge me. They're such good names, and I am the best slimer. The sixth one is when they play with their slime really rough. And then the seventh one is when they keep talking and you cannot hear the ASMR. Hey guys, so I'm just going to be doing some ASMR for you. So yeah, I'm just going to talk to you. La la la, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I hope you like the ASMR. You could totally hear it so well. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more. La 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 la. Okay guys, that's my ASMR done. Then the eighth one is when they take ages to actually play with the slime. Hey guys, so I'm doing a review of this pink slime from Unknown Slimer. I love them. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you. La la la, just show you the slime. I'm gonna check my messages. La la la, just showing you it because it looks so cool. Okay, just you can see the slime. There you go. There we go. There's the review. Then the ninth one is when it's so dark and you cannot hardly even see the person. Well, you can't even see the person. Hey guys, so I got this slime. As you can see, it's so nice. So yeah, la la la. I'm just gonna do the ASMR of it. Hopefully you can see it. Just doing some extra lighting. Okay, guys, that's the end of number 9. Okay, the last one, number 10, is when they keep going off subject and they talk about random stuff. Hey guys, I'm just going to show you this slime. So good. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a new phone and a pop socket. So yeah, I'm just going to go on my phone. Oh yeah, look at this piece of paper. Isn't it so cool? Oh, I love pieces of paper. Back to my phone. Look at this glass. Look at this pot of milk. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. Right, back to my phone now. Wait, what was I even supposed to be doing in this video? Oh yeah, showing you this cool pen. Oh no, wait, I was supposed to be doing slime. Slime, that's it. Ah, got this wee letter. It says R.I.P. Fiona. It was a little fun character that we used to play at school. Wait a little. You can just look at that, la la. Stretch the slime into the slowest. Do skipping, 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 skipping. Whoa. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video right to the end, because now you get the shout outs. The first shout out of the day goes to Unicorn Star Slime. There's their profile. Thank you so much, Unicorn Star Slime. You're the best. Second one of the day goes to... Let me actually find the shout-outs thing. Leon Stewart... Wait, what's his name? Leon Stewart 8005. Thank you so much for subscribing, Leon Stewart 8005. Probably his name's just Leon Stewart. Then the next shout out, this is the last shout out because we're only doing 3, actually we'll do 4. The next one is Ellie Dunbar. Woohoo! Ellie Dunbar, why am I not following her? Oh yeah, just requested. Because I follow all my people that I do, what's it called? Shout-outs on. The last shout out of the day is to Isla Edwards 18. Isla _Edwards 18. Thank you so much for subscribing, Isla _Edwards 18. You're the best. Okay guys, thank you all so much for subscribing and watching to the end. And well done if you got a shout out. Because they're kind of hard to get. Kind of hard. So, yes. See you later. Sorry, I've got the cold, so I kind of do it. There we go.